Sea lovers, welcome back to Training Scoop ZA. We are back with yet another update. The multi-award winning and celebrated actor Stumo Mjali has penned a moving tribute to Isibaya after a fruitful 8 years of Sibusiso Dlovu. All things pertaining to his character came to an end when he shot his last scene on the show recently. He took it to his social media to share a video of him on set with the crew bidding farewell to him. And Agnes Gibson, who is the producer of the show, said Stumo was God given to them after he had struggled to find a placement for him for previous actor who played Stumo's character. He thanked him for his contribution and growth too, and also wish him all the best in future. 8 years of growth, 8 seasons of gratitude to all the cast and crew members of Isibaya. Thank you. The amount of thank you ever express the depth of my gratitude for each and every one of you. And for those that don't know the backstory of how I got blessed with the opportunity to play Sibusiso, 3 awards. Trust the process, said Sibusiso on his Instagram page. What a beautiful 8 years of Isibaya with you. Thank you for so many beautiful scenes and memories, for sharing your talent and being so joyful. You have been such a delight to watch on scene, to talk to and walk with. You are a gentleman, a professional, and an amazing talent. I have loved you, Sibusiso, deeply. Who is this character is in his scene. He has been so important for SATV. Too much a negative representation of young black men in the world. Sibu represented a young man making his own journey, staying true to his own rules and integrity, trying to break free from the shackle and the past, but still respecting his roots and culture. Hardworking, fueled and ambitious, wanting to build a decent life for him and for his family. He had remained a man of integrity no matter what, and I have loved and admire how you took the character of the page and sculpted him to such a strong person that everyone loved. That what his producer Edison Gibson said about Sibusiso, who is also known as Stumo Mjali on Isibaya. The producer then went also on to say that Sibusiso also showed love to her ex-TV wife Nomzamo Mbatha by writing a heartfelt message to her. We felt all your love for Uthandeka. We wanted you to win her and win all at life. We celebrated you when you did. We cried with you when you lost her. Oh my God, what a performance you have given SA viewers on Isibaya. Thank you for loving Sibusiso on Isibaya and showing your heart in many scenes. It has been amazing to watch you grow, and I'm excited to see you explore something new. I know you are going to be amazing in it and will be a big time name in SA entertainment for the next few decades. All my love and best wishes to you, Stumo Mjali. Thank you. That was the thank you message that was written by his producer, Agus Gibson. A few months ago, the rumors mill was all overdrive that Isibaya was skating on thin ice, but later it came to the masses' attention that the show was cancelled due to a dramatic decline or in viewership. Although Stumo Mjali left Isibaya, the good thing is that he is booked and busy, recently landed a new role on the upcoming SABC3 telenovela, The Estate. Well, guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please don't forget to comment and also share the news. It is quite sad to hear that Isibaya will be coming to an end, but as you all know that good things come to an end. That's it for now, guys. Stay connected for more XOXO.